Ever been in that situation? You're setting something up online, maybe trying to link an account or verify some details, and then bam. You're asked for an account number. And you think, wait, where is that on my YouTrip card? You flip it over, you squint at the tiny print, you even try to remember if you saw it during the sign-up process. But it's just not there. Or at least, not in the way you expect a traditional bank account number to be. It's a common moment of confusion, especially with modern digital wallets and multi-currency cards like YouTrip. We're so used to traditional banking where every account has a clear, easily identifiable number for transfers, direct debits, and all sorts of financial wizardry. But YouTrip operates a little differently, and understanding this difference is key to knowing exactly what to look for when that account number prompt pops up. So, let's cut through the confusion. When it comes to your YouTrip account, there isn't a single, universal account number in the same way your traditional bank provides one for incoming transfers. YouTrip is a prepaid MasterCard that holds multiple currencies, designed primarily for spending and exchanging money when you travel or shop online internationally. It's linked to your digital wallet within the YouTrip app, but it doesn't function like a traditional bank account that accepts direct bank transfers using an account number and sort code /SWIFT. Instead, YouTrip has a few important identifiers, each serving a specific purpose. The most prominent one you'll encounter is your 16-digit card number, found on the front of your physical or virtual YouTrip card. This is what you use for online purchases and in-store payments, just like any other debit or credit card. Then there's your Y number. This is a unique serial number located on the back of your physical YouTrip card. It's mainly used for specific administrative purposes, like activating your physical card when it arrives, claiming YouTrip perks, or for verification when you contact their support. It is not your card number and cannot be used for payments. For topping up your YouTrip wallet, you won't be using an account number either. You'll typically top up using methods like Pay Now, linking a bank account, which uses a direct bank integration rather than a specific YouTrip account number, or using a debit/credit card. These methods are designed for seamless transfers into your YouTrip wallet, not for external parties to send funds to a YouTrip account number. It's important to remember that while YouTrip allows you to hold multiple currencies and manage your spending, it's not a full-fledged bank account. This distinction is crucial when you're faced with forms or platforms asking for a standard bank account number. If you're asked for an account number in a context that implies a direct bank transfer, YouTrip generally isn't set up for that. You'd typically need to provide details from a traditional bank account instead. So, to reiterate, if you're looking for your YouTrip account number for general banking purposes, the simple answer is, you don't have one in the traditional sense. You have your 16-digit card number for transactions and your Y number for specific YouTrip-related administrative tasks. Focus on how YouTrip is designed to be used, a powerful tool for multi-currency spending and exchange, and you will navigate these situations with ease. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.